Hi everyone, this is Milind Kelkar, Chief Analytics Officer at Unpickle, and welcome to today's video on AI-assisted qualitative data analysis in Excel. We want to bring the whole demos data of how to use, understanding how qualitative researchers can analyze in Excel. So the today's demo data is usage and attitude of students towards pen. What I'm going to share you in the screen is where you have AI generated and analyst validated coded qualitative data set where the first column refers to the respondent. So there are around close to, as you can see, 10 respondents, and you have their corresponding profile information, whether they are male or female, or whether they belong to junior school, middle school, or high school. You have what is known as analysis question. You have asked usage and attitude questions across different samples of pen for different questions, and you have for each quote, for each verbatim, you have an associated code attached to it, which is again generated by AI but validated by humans. And you can validate whether this code is correct or incorrect. You also have tonality, which can be positive, negative, or neutral for each one of those codes. And for you can also have a column called categories. For those codes can be grouped into higher order classification or clustering. So let's take an example where you are trying to analyze the question saying, what are the problems faced by students while studying? So you have used the auto filter option of Excel to select only those responses for which students have answered or spoken about problems, issues they face while studying across all the respondents with all the corresponding verbatims. And the code that exists, for example, could be forgetfulness with textbook, lack of personalized attention, social distractions, difficulty memorizing. So there are various codes associated with it. So you as a qualitative researcher can validate whether the codes are correct or not. Two, it will also allow you to immerse yourself in the data, familiarize yourself with what the students are talking for this question and what is a takeout from a researcher perspective. You can also, from a communication perspective to your clients, look at what categories has AI grouped them into. So the categories could be, let's say, cognitive challenges. So cognitive challenges could be forgetfulness of textbook, difficulty with complex formulas, difficulty memorizing it. There's the issue of reduced writing. The second challenge could be online medium challenges, which is students have issue in working longer hours on screen time, technical issues with laptop network, disturbance during study time. So you have these codes being grouped under different categories, and you can then summarize your finding. Either you can rename these categories that is convenient to you based on your experience. And in addition, you can summarize saying there are five reasons or five problems or issues that students face while studying. One is cognitive challenges, two is financial support for studies, three is online medium challenges, fourth is physical discomfort, and fifth is variability in teaching methods. And when you take those, you can provide all the subgroups of code. You can take the actual verbatim and share the code. You can also have an option to retrieve the right video if you want to re-understand how the customer spoke about these problems and issues, to understand any non-verbal cues if they are present or not. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video.